Insomnia, also known as sleeplessness, is a sleep disorder where people have trouble sleeping. People who suffer from insomnia face difficulties falling asleep or remain asleep without waking up during the night. Insomnia is typically followed by daytime sleepiness, low energy, irritability, and a depressed mood. Moreover, sleep apnea is another common sleeping disorder that reduces the quality of sleep and causes tiredness and fatigue during the day, and is the main cause of excessive daytime sleepiness. People suffering from it have one or more pauses in breathing or shallow breaths while sleeping, and this chronic issue disrupts their sleep. However, if you have sleeping difficulties, you will be delighted to learn that there are numerous indoor plants that can help you detoxify the air in the bedroom and help you fall asleep. Houseplants offer numerous health benefits, and improving the quality of our sleep is one of them. They purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing fresh oxygen as part of their natural life cycle. Alternative therapy encompasses various that include strategies from a healthy, balanced diet and regular exercise to mental conditioning and lifestyle changes. Such examples of alternative therapies include acupuncture, yoga, massage, guided imagery, hypnosis, biofeedback, aromatherapy, relaxation, herbal remedies, and many others. Complementary medicine is essentially alternative medicine, taken along with conventional treatments. These are the 10 best choices you can make when it comes to choosing an indoor plant for your bedroom. English ivy plant, Hetero Helix, is ideal for your bedroom, since it cleanses the air, removes all toxins, and creates a nice, relaxed atmosphere for sleeping. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum, cleanses the air from formaldehyde and benzene and regulates the humidity of the air. It is perfect for dry climates and is a low-maintenance houseplant. Lavender has a soothing scent that is commonly used in phytotherapy and aromatherapy to treat central nervous system disorders, like anxiety, stress, and sleep disorders. It boosts sleep quality and soothes fussy babies and lulls them into a deeper stage of slumber. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, has been listed as one of the 10 best natural air purifiers by NASA. It emits oxygen during the nighttime and makes the air in the bedroom fresh and clean. Gardenia has strong sedative effects and helps the body and brain to relax. Their therapeutic power of scent can replace sleeping pills. Aloe vera has countless medicinal properties, and when placed in your bedroom, it will release oxygen during the evening and make the air cleaner and fresher, helping you fall asleep. Delirian root is one of the most powerful insomnia herbs. It has sedative and anti-anxiety properties, so it can replace mild sedatives and treat insomnia and nervous tension. Studies have shown that the inhalation of the scent of its pink flowers heightens the activity of the brain's GABA system, the system responsible for relaxing the body and preparing it for sleep. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is another potent air purifier from the NASA list of 10 best natural air cleaners. It eliminates up to 90% of formaldehyde from the air. Jasmine is a plant with pretty white flowers and a sweet scent, which has potent sedative properties that have been even found to work just like commonly prescribed sedatives. This scent calms and improves sleep, lowers anxiety levels, and reduces sleep movement. Additionally, jasmine essential oil is one of the most effective essential oils in the treatment of depression. Gerbera daisy releases extra oxygen in the bedroom and boosts the quality of sleep you get. It treats insomnia and soothes the body and mind. Therefore, just pick your favorite scent and place some of the indoor plants in your bedroom, and you will finally get the good night's rest you deserve.